Well, another day, another round of layoffs. This one came out, a letter from the UAW. Saw this over on their Facebook group. I'll throw it up here when we come back after the intro. Looks like they're laying off people at the Sterling Heights assembly plant. Boy. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Sorry if I sound like crap this morning, or like if I don't have the big studio lights on, just the front light, because I wanted to get this out. These couple of stories I got for you out. I just got back from putting the Cadillac in the shop at the dealer again. But TK, don't you fix cars? I do. But I maximize time. And I don't want to do a rack and pinion, so the dealer can do that. Anyways, this letter was dated September 24th, and it's regarding supplemental and full-time layoffs. Good morning, Local 1700. The local union was just notified as of September 28, 2024, that Stellantis will be terminating all of the supplemental employees that we have on our current roll here at Sterling Heights Assembly Plant. The total amount that will be terminated is 177 union brothers and sisters. After a conversation between the plant shop chairman and the labor manager, the understanding was that they would give us time to notify our membership. As we began to draft this letter and plan an emergency podcast, a call was sent out to all the supplemental employees, notifying them via phone of this heartbreaking news. This was our fear from the start when they began to rehire supplemental workers. The local 1700 union took the harsh but truthful approach at every orientation that we were a part of, expressing our concerns that not only could termination occur at any time upon the acceptance of the position, but it could be done without any notice or valid reason. This is another slap in the face to our entire membership. This shows that the company having a hot or any respect is out the window. And I have to agree with that. It's just a business decision for them. One robocall to fire 177 people for no wrongdoing of their own. Our prayers are with those whose lives have just been harshly affected by this decision. And they go into some other stuff. I also saw a Facebook post from people. This is what was crazy, right? So this happened while people were already at work. Like, they started laying people off while they were at work. I couldn't believe this. Like, imagine you're on shift, right? And you're working, you haven't heard anything, like, there's nothing crazy going on, like, you know what I'm saying? And all of a sudden, you get a robocall on your phone while you're working on the line, and you see who it's from, so you're going to answer it. It's from work, and you hear, "Oh, sorry, you are fired effective today." I mean, this was one of the other ones I saw, and this was on Facebook. Temps, and this was about temps. I don't know if this is the same one that was going on at Sterling Heights. It could be that they're firing or laying off people in multiple places. But this one said that they're sending out calls and firing temps while they're working right now. Shake my head. Firing people while they're already at work. It's just disgusting and very unsafe for the rest of Stellantis. Definitely does not care about any of us. Like, I couldn't agree more. It's ridiculous. You know, I say this, I don't have a dog in this hunt as far as the union goes. But it does aggravate me a little bit to see people just discarded like they're nothing. Kind of sucks. And, it just also goes against what Stellantis is saying, like, oh, we're doing great, things are going to turn around. And that's why you're looking at getting rid of your CEO or possibly buying out his contract and moving forward. It's amazing how much that stock jumped in the first 5 minutes after you mentioned that you're looking for a successor to that CEO. I just wish that the UAW, as far as their union or their membership, would look at replacing Sean Fain the same way. Because I'm a numbers guy, right? I'm looking at the numbers, and what do I see? I see nothing but layoffs, and I see nothing coming out of your leadership. Nothing. It's like Carlos Tavares and Sean Fain are two peas in a pod. They're literally out for themselves. Tavares is looking for his next government gig, cushy job somewhere in Europe, or working for the World Economic Forum, or wherever he's going to be. And Sean Fain's eyeing that, labor secretary position if, his candidate wins, and or doing something else in D.C. He could give a rat's ass about you. And that's the part that sucks. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Good morning. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. My thoughts go out to those that were let go today, especially when you're already at work. It's just so disrespectful. This company has no friggin' hope, I swear to God.